Okay, how to use YouTube new shortcuts for creating short videos.
Turn long videos into shorts in just a few taps. Step 1. Open the YouTube app. Step 2. Choose a video from your channel. Step 3. Click Remix. Step 4. Click Edit into a short. Step 5. Put your own spin on it. Start with an existing video, then end with something totally original. Add new segments or combine videos from your gallery. Tips: can add text, can change font, can press the timeline, can press the filters, can use the green screen,
You have new power. Yeah,
pinch and drag to adjust, can choose video or photo for background. And that's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and bell for more videos. Follow my other social media. Thanks and God bless.